Hello, class. I'm Dr. Forte. Please feel free to refer to me, address me as Dr. G or Professor G. I want to take a few minutes to talk about some of the critical issues that we need to be aware of in this class. So first, let me go over the requirements. The discussion requirements include a minimum word count of 200 words per response, in-text citations, a reference section, and response to at least 2 peers. One thing that I would ask is that you include both responses. Generally, every week there are 2 questions to be responded to in the same post. Label them question 1, question 2. Make sure you have in-text citations in both of them. And all you need is 1 reference section. You don't need a reference section for both responses for each question. Okay? As you know, our weeks begin on Wednesday and end on Tuesday. So the initial response is due on Saturday by 11:59. Response to peers are due Tuesday by 11:59. All assignments are due on Tuesdays. There are actually 4 assignments. One of them is the Academic Integrity Pledge that has to be submitted before week 3. If it is not submitted by week 3, I am not able to grade and to read and grade your papers. So try to make sure you focus on that. Today is Sunday, and I noticed that already 4 students have completed the Integrity Pledge, so that's great. I hope everyone else gets a chance to do so. There are 3 assignments, written assignments, in addition to the Integrity Pledge. First, I call A1. It's a discussion. It's an intercultural communication paper that relies on the INCA survey, INCA survey. If you took organization culture by now, I forget the number of that class, but if you took that class, it was one of the main topics that we focused on for that class. Okay, so all 3 of these assignments are rather intense, and you need to get ahead of the due date. If you procrastinate on them, I guarantee you're going to struggle. You're going to have an issue. So the second assignment due on June 22nd. The first assignment is due June 8th, Tuesday, June 8th. Second assignment is due on June 22nd. We are required to do a survey to send 15 to 20 of our colleagues from our organization the survey. If you aren't currently working, you can survey former colleagues. This is an intense assignment, and I assure you, you need to get that survey out to your respondents as quickly as you possibly can. Now, all of the assignments are explained in the content menu under a link identified as assignment resources. All of the information that is needed is there. There are several links there for you. So try to get started on that thing as quickly as you can. The final assignment, again, another one that even in the instructions for the assignment suggests that students should start preparing by week 3 for it. It's what we call an e-portfolio. It's due on June 28th, week 7. So the assignments A1, week 3, A2, week 5, A3, week 7. Okay. Finally, the university has a laser focus now on plagiarism. It's become almost an international issue in universities around the world. We have connected to all of our assignments a report identified as the Turn-It-In report. Once you submit the assignment, Turn-It-In will generate a report. It will identify sections of your paper that are questionable. In my experience, most student plagiarism is unintentional. So I encourage you to read the Turn-It-In report, review it. If you have questions about the review, contact me and I'll try to answer your questions. If you find that it has identified issues, fix them and resubmit the assignment. Okay? So that pretty much covers everything I wanted to talk about. Before I close, I want to let you know my commitment to you is I will read all of your work, including your discussion responses, and I will respond to every one of them. That's my commitment to you. After I read your first response, I will send you a grading sheet. You'll be the only student that gets it. It will grade you on content, grammar, and APA. I can't complete the grading until I review your response to peers, so that won't be part of it. Okay, that's my commitment to you. All right, class. I hope you find this helpful, and I look forward to working with you. Thank you. Have a great week, everyone.